Hello, Lake Okeechobee Algae Control, made by Alfred Gelders for the Environmental Management class at American Public University. This is a breakdown of what will be discussed in the next slides. This table shows the goals, the objectives, and the stakeholders involved in this presentation. The stakeholders are the local residents of Clewiston and Pahokee, the tourism industries, farmers and ranchers, sugar industries, the fishermen and sportsmen in the state of Florida. The vision statement is to protect and clean Lake Okeechobee and prevent the contamination of water and beaches. Goal number 1, amelioration of oxygen levels by laminar flow. The objectives is to use a diffuser like seen on the animation. This diffuser is installed at the bottom of the lake. This diffuser will increase an inversion of the body of water, and this continuous aeration will improve the water quality. Goal number 2 is to investigate and locate the non-point sources of contamination. The objective is to locate the major points of contamination by forming an independent task force that can train the farmers and workers to handle and dispose of the different types of chemicals that they use. Chemicals like pesticides, steroids used in animals, fertilizers. All these type of chemicals end up in the water. Also, grease and oil from machinery used in the land. And ultimately is to locate and try to trace the leakage of septic tanks in homes in the surrounding areas. Goal number 3 is to rebuild the natural flow of rivers to its original course. This is a difficult task, but it's not impossible. And you can see in the animation, this animation shows how a river with time can actually change its course, creating a meander. And eventually the meander is broken and we get an oxbow lake right here. The objective is to get the water from Lake Okeechobee to flow through the Everglades again, so it can maintain its natural level. Now the issue with this is very simple. When there is an increase on the level of water in the Lake Okeechobee, this increase in the level of water floods the plants, the aquatic plants. These aquatic plants, when they die, they decompose. When they decompose, bacteria grows in it. Consequently, there's no plants to remove the carbon dioxide from the water, and there is no more oxygen produced by the plants. Not only that, plants help to maintain the sediments tied to the bottom of the lake. There's no more plants, sediment gets loose, then this prevents the water from being clear and blocks sunlight.